It's Wednesday, the 20th of March, 2024. Welcome to the 77th edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we conduct a high-level analytical report on one of the prevalent problems of the day: food scarcity in Nigeria. Introduction. It is common knowledge and a widely accepted fact that food scarcity is a critical issue facing Nigeria. This series aims to provide an executive summary, analysis of the current situation of food scarcity in Nigeria, examining the causes and reasons why the problem is increasing. Additionally, the series will recommend immediate and future-focused solutions based on international best practices used by other developing countries to combat the problem.
Causes and reasons for food scarcity. 1. Climate change and natural disasters. Climate change and natural disasters have significantly impacted agricultural productivity in Nigeria. Climate change has caused an increase in extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and storms, which have had a direct impact on crop yields. Natural disasters such as land degradation, soil erosion, and other forms of environmental degradation have also caused a decrease in agricultural productivity. Rising temperatures, erratic rainfall patterns, and frequent droughts have led to reduced crop yields and increased vulnerability to food shortages. These climate-related challenges have severely damaged crops, worsening the situation of food scarcity in the country. 2. Inadequate agricultural infrastructure. Nigeria's agricultural infrastructure, such as storage facilities, irrigation systems, and distribution networks, is inadequate, leading to poor post-harvest management. As a result, a significant portion of the country's produce is lost or spoiled before reaching the consumers who need it the most. For example, an estimated 30% of the country's maize is lost due to a lack of adequate storage facilities, resulting in higher prices for consumers. This lack of proper infrastructure exacerbates food scarcity and makes it difficult for farmers to produce sufficient quantities to meet demands. 3. Population growth and increased demand. Nigeria's population is increasing rapidly, which places additional pressure on the country's food resources. Population growth in Nigeria leads to increased demand for food, putting a strain on the country's resources and exacerbating issues of food scarcity and malnutrition. The rapidly growing population has led to a surge in the demand for food staples, resulting in increased food prices and food shortages. This increase in demand outpaces the country's ability to produce sufficient food, further exacerbating the challenge of food scarcity.
International best practices to combat food scarcity. 1. Sustainable agriculture practices. Adopting sustainable agriculture practices, such as crop rotation, agroforestry, and organic farming, can help mitigate the effects of climate change and soil erosion on agricultural productivity. For instance, crop rotation helps to conserve soil nutrients and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers, while agroforestry helps to capture and store carbon and reduce soil erosion. By adopting these methods, farmers can improve soil health, enhance resilience to extreme weather events, and increase crop yields, thereby addressing the issue of food scarcity. 2. Improved land tenure and access to land. Ensuring secure land tenure and access to land for farmers and small-scale agriculturalists is crucial for increasing food production. Providing legal recognition and protection of land rights will enable farmers to invest in their land, improve agricultural practices, and increase crop yields. This approach has been successfully implemented in other countries and can help address food scarcity in Nigeria. 3. Diversification of crops. Diversifying crops and embracing sustainable farming techniques can enhance the overall resilience of food production systems in Nigeria. Planting a diverse range of crops, including staples and cash crops, can provide farmers with alternative sources of income and reduce dependence on a single crop. This approach reduces the risk of food scarcity and enhances food security. 4. Strengthening agricultural extension services. Improving agricultural extension services can provide farmers with access to essential knowledge, technologies, and support services. By enhancing the capacity of extension agents and providing farmers with timely information on best practices, Nigeria can bridge the knowledge gap and improve their agricultural productivity. This will contribute to resolving the issue of food scarcity.
Conclusion. Food scarcity in Nigeria is a complex issue that requires immediate attention and action. By examining the causes and reasons for increasing food scarcity and drawing upon international best practices, Nigeria can implement effective solutions to combat this problem. Sustainable agriculture practices, improved land tenure and access, diversification of crops, and strengthening agricultural extension services are crucial steps towards resolving the issue of food scarcity and ensuring food security for the country. If you would like to learn more, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week. There's enough on this planet for everyone's needs but not for everyone's greed. Mahatma Gandhi.